In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. We're going to focus on a simple, built-in way to add a basic layer of protection to your files using the tools that come with Windows. This is great for keeping casual users on your computer from easily opening certain folders. Just keep in mind, this isn't military-grade encryption, but it's a good everyday privacy step. First, go to your desktop or open File Explorer and navigate to the folder you want to protect. This might be a folder with documents, photos, or anything you don't want others casually accessing. Make sure all the files you want to protect are already inside this folder, because the protection you're setting up will apply to its contents. Next, right-click on the folder. From the menu that appears, click on Properties at the very bottom. This will open a new window that shows general information about your folder, like its size and location. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab if you're not already there. Then look towards the bottom and click on the Advanced button. This opens another smaller window with more detailed options. Here, you'll see a section labeled Compress or Encrypt Attributes. Check the box that says Encrypt Contents to secure data. When you select this option, Windows prepares to protect the files in that folder so only your user account can easily open them. After checking the box, click OK. You'll be taken back to the main Properties window. Now click Apply. At this point, Windows will ask whether you want to apply these changes to just the folder or to the folder, its subfolders, and all files inside. For full protection, choose the option that includes subfolders and files. Then click OK or Apply again. Windows will then begin encrypting the contents. Depending on how many files are in the folder, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer. Once it's finished, click OK to close the Properties window. From now on, those files are tied to your user account. Other user accounts on the same computer won't be able to open them easily. To strengthen this further, make sure your Windows account itself has a strong password or PIN, since this encryption relies on your account being secure. If you ever want to remove this protection, you can go back to the same advanced settings. Uncheck Encrypt Contents to secure data. Apply the change to the folder and its contents, and confirm. That's all you need to do to password protect a folder in Windows 11 using the built-in encryption feature.